Alright guys, it's Steve Spell 2. Trying to get some exercise here. I believe that exercise is important for cardiovascular fitness and overall health. If you don't have your health, you don't have much. Hey, yo, hey, you better get. Man. Hey, back up now. Crap. Y'all get out the road. Man, speaking of heart, you got my heart rate up and going this morning. Mean little dog.
Suddenly it dawned on me that the only way back home was back the way I came. I decided to put on my trusty hunting hat to help me answer the call of the wild. I would have to face my fears and courageously maneuver past these savage wild dogs.
Hey, you hush up now.
I decided to try to talk my way through this potentially disastrous situation. One wrong move and I would surely suffer a painful death of 1,000 cuts by a 2.5-pound weenie dog. Here goes nothing.
Come on now. I ain't scared of you. Hey, get on out of here. Crap. Man.
Please take a moment to like Spell Family Snowball's Facebook page.
And don't forget to invite your friends.